#1 side hustle for beginners in 2024, online freelancing. Trust me, this isn't just another run-of-the-mill gig, it's your ticket to financial freedom and flexibility. Picture this, you in your pajamas sipping coffee on a beachfront property or a nice cozy cabin in the mountains, depending on your preference, and raking in cash from clients around the globe. Sounds dreamy, right? Well, with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, it's not just a dream, it's your new reality. Whether you're a wordsmith, a design wizard, or a virtual assistant, there's a market hungry for your skills. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. Just a computer, an internet connection, and that beautiful brain of yours. But here's the real shocker. The earning potential is off the charts. Some freelancers are pulling in 6 figures working fewer hours than their 9-to-5 counterparts. And the freedom, priceless. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Building your client base takes time, and you'll need to hustle hard at first, but stick with it, and you'll be living that freelance life in no time. Coming in hot at #2, we've got print on demand, the side hustle that turns your creativity into cold hard cash. Imagine slapping your designs on t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases and watching the money roll in while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because it's not only possible, it's happening right now. With platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring, you can set up shop without ever touching inventory or worrying about shipping. It's like having your own personal factory, minus the headaches. Here's the kicker. You don't need to be Picasso to make this work. From witty slogans to simple doodles, there's a market for every style. And the best part? You can start with 0 upfront cost. That's right, 0. But wait, there's more. Unlike other side hustles, print on demand scales like a dream. One design can be printed on hundreds of products, multiplying your income potential. Sure, the competition can be fierce, but with the right niche and a sprinkle of marketing magic, you could be the next print on demand success story. #3 on our list is a side hustle that's all about turning your influence into income affiliate marketing. Now, before you roll your eyes thinking this is just another influencer fad, let me tell you, this is the real deal. Imagine this. You're recommending products you already love, and instead of just feeling good about helping others, you're actually earning a sweet commission for every sale. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because it's not only possible, it's happening right now. Here's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You don't need a massive following to start. Whether you've got a blog, a YouTube channel, or just a small Instagram following, you can start monetizing your recommendations today. The best part? There's an affiliate program for almost everything, from fashion to tech gadgets, fitness equipment to online courses. If you can recommend it, you can probably earn from it. Unlike other side hustles, affiliate marketing can generate passive income. That means you could be earning money while you sleep, eat, or binge watch your favorite shows. And while we are on the topic of affiliate marketing,
if you give me just 15 seconds, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your YouTube videos in a matter of seconds using a specific AI tool. If we go to the tool and click this section called Warp Upload, then we can paste in a video URL of one of our unlisted videos before we upload it. After that, we just click this button right here. And then what this tool is going to do is scan through the video and what is said in the video, and then craft the perfect titles, description, and tags, and you can literally just copy paste this into your videos and you're ready to go. Now the tool is called a TubeMagic, and it will also write your scripts. It has script templates for how-to scripts, script outlines, YouTube short scripts, and it'll also help you come up with great video ideas and a bunch of other awesome things. And all of these successful YouTubers right here are using TubeMagic as their secret tool for growing on YouTube. And I'd love to invite you to get access to TubeMagic with a special deal going on right now. Just click anywhere on this ad and you can sign up with our special early bird deal before we do eventually raise the price. We've initially launched this with a small group of big YouTubers. We've dialed the tools in, connecting with the YouTube API and other content generation tools, and we've created the best suite of AI tools for growing on YouTube that exists. My name is Matt Parr, by the way, and I run the Make Money Matt channel on YouTube, and I also run a bunch of faceless channels that have helped me get play buttons just like these. And I'm using TubeMagic to help speed up the process with running all of my different channels and cut down on freelancer costs. Imagine, for example, that you didn't have to hire a scriptwriter. You didn't have to spend hours upon hours writing your own scripts, optimizing your videos, and everything that goes into running a YouTube channel. And now with TubeMagic, that's all possible. It will literally do it all for you. Feel free to click on this ad, check it out. I can't wait to see you inside. You're going to absolutely love it, and you will wonder what you ever did without it. Now, TubeMagic does cost a monthly subscription to use, but think about it like this. If this saved you from hiring someone to write a script or spending hours upon hours writing your own scripts, and if you compare this against optimizing your own videos and spending hours of your time or hiring people to manage your channels for you, this will save you thousands upon thousands of dollars, and we only charge a low monthly fee. So if you want to get started with this early bird special, now is the best time to get in on the ground floor of TubeMagic, and now is the best time to get started using the best suite of AI tools out there. I can't wait to see you inside. Nice to meet you if this is our first time meeting, and hopefully I'll see you there.
Personally, I love TubeMagic and use it every day. I have been following Matt for about a year now and bought TubeMagic the day it came out and never went back. It has so many great features and has helped me produce videos like this one. With even more features coming out and older features being updated, there is so much value in TubeMagic. It truly is a great resource, and if you are interested in signing up, check the link in description. Sliding into fourth place, we've got a side hustle that's perfect for all you social butterflies out there: social media management. In today's digital age, businesses are desperate for savvy individuals who can navigate the world of likes, shares, and hashtags. And guess what? That could be you. Picture this: you're scrolling through Instagram, crafting slogans, and curating the perfect Pinterest board, all while padding your bank account. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to wake up and smell the opportunity. Here's the deal: small businesses, entrepreneurs, and even local celebs are dying for someone to manage their online presence. They need your fresh ideas, your finger on trending topics, and your ability to engage audiences. And they're willing to pay top dollar for it. The best part? You can start with zero experience. If you're already a social media whiz in your personal life, you're halfway there. A few online courses, some practice with free tools, and you'll be ready to pitch your services. Coming in at number 5, we've got a side hustle that'll make you feel smart and rich at the same time: online tutoring. Let's face it, in today's competitive world, everyone's looking for an edge, and that's where you come in. Imagine this: you're lounging on your couch, sharing your knowledge with students from around the world, and watching your bank account grow. Sounds like a win-win, doesn't it? Here's the scoop: platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg, and TutorMe are constantly on the hunt for tutors in every subject under the sun. Whether you're a math whiz, a literature lover, or a science superstar, there's a student out there who needs your expertise. The best part? You don't need to be a certified teacher to get started. If you've got a college degree and a passion for your subject, you're already qualified. And with the flexibility to set your own hours, it's perfect for fitting around your day job or other commitments. And even better, with the rise of remote learning, the demand for online tutors is skyrocketing. That means more opportunities and higher pay rates for you. Hold on to your hats, because our number 6 side hustle is about to blow your mind: dropshipping. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate business model that's taking the e-commerce world by storm. Picture this: you're running your own online store, selling cool products to customers worldwide, but here's the kicker: you never touch a single item. Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's dropshipping. With platforms like Shopify and suppliers from AliExpress, you can set up shop without ever worrying about inventory or shipping. You're the middleman, the marketing genius, the entrepreneur extraordinaire. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't the market saturated? Sure, there's competition, but with the right niche and some savvy marketing, you can carve out your own slice of the e-commerce pie. And the best part? You can start with minimal upfront costs. But here's where it gets really exciting: the scaling potential is off the charts. Once you find winning products, you can ramp up your marketing and watch the sales soar. We're talking potential 6-figure incomes. All right, animal lovers, this one's for you. Coming in at number 7, we've got a side hustle that'll have your tail wagging: pet sitting and dog walking. Trust me, this isn't just about picking up poop. It's about turning your love for furry friends into cold, hard cash. Picture this: you're spending your day playing with adorable pups, getting your steps in, and making bank while others are stuck in cubicles. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, pinch yourself, because this is real life. Platforms like Rover and Wag have made it easier than ever to connect with pet owners in your area. Whether you're into overnight pet sitting, daily dog walking, or even just quick drop-in visits, there's a service you can offer. Here's the best part: you set your own rates and schedule. Want to make this a full-time gig? Go for it. Just looking for some extra weekend cash? That works too. And let's not forget the built-in exercise and stress relief. It's like getting paid to go to the gym, but way more fun. With more people returning to offices and traveling again, the demand for pet care is higher than ever. That means more opportunities and higher rates for you. Coming in at number 8, we've got a side hustle that's all about making money from what you already own: renting out your assets. Now, before you think this is just about becoming a landlord, let me blow your mind with the possibilities. Imagine your spare room, your parking space, even that power tool collecting dust in your garage. They're not just things, they're untapped gold mines. And platforms like Airbnb, JustPark, and Fat Llama are here to help you cash in. Think about it. That guest room you use twice a year, it could be paying your mortgage. The parking spot you only use on weekends, someone's willing to rent it during the week. And that expensive camera you bought for your once-a-year vacation, it could be making you money 364 364 days a year. The best part? This side hustle requires minimal effort once you're set up. You're literally making money while you sleep, work, or binge watch your favorite shows. But here's where it gets really exciting. The potential for scaling is huge. Start with one asset, reinvest your earnings, and before you know it, you could be running a mini empire of rentals. Last but certainly not least, coming in at number 9, we've got a side hustle that's perfect for those moments when you're killing time online surveys and microtasks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Surveys? Really? Imagine you're waiting for your coffee to brew, your laundry to finish, or your friend who's always late. Instead of mindlessly scrolling, you're turning those spare minutes into cold, hard cash. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Platforms like Amazon, Mechanical Turk, and Swagbucks are dishing out millions to users just like you for completing simple tasks. We're talking product reviews, data entry, transcription, even watching videos. It's like getting paid to procrastinate. Now let's be real. You won't get rich overnight, but it all adds up. That extra $50 or $100 a month could be your Netflix subscription, your weekly coffee runs, or a nice chunk of your phone bill. The best part? Zero pressure. Do it while you're binge watching, waiting at the doctor's office, or whenever you have a few minutes to spare. It's the ultimate flexible side hustle. And there you have it, folks. The top 9 side hustles for beginners in 2024. We've covered everything from digital empires to dog walking, and each one has the potential to change your financial game. Remember, the key to side hustle success is finding what works for you. Maybe you'll be the next dropshipping king, or perhaps you'll turn your spare room into a cash-generating machine. The possibilities are endless. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. The hardest part is starting, but once you do, you'll wonder why you didn't begin sooner. Your future self will thank you for taking action today. If you do try one of these side hustles, be sure to comment below and on how it goes and any other tips you would recommend to others. It could go a long way, so what are you waiting for? Pick a hustle, any hustle, and dive in. And hey, if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share with a friend who could use a financial boost. Your success story could be just one click away.